Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guide. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up an SMTP server for your Gmail account. So, let's get started. First off, on your main interface on Google, click on your profile icon right here. Go to Manage Your Google Account. From here, what you want to do is search here, app password. Right here, app passwords, and then just enter in your password right there. That's for verification purposes. Now here, type in an app or a new app specific password, type a name for it below. So here, let's just say sample SMPT. Create that one. We'll click on done. And then what we want to do now is we want to go to our SMTP tool. So we have here SMTP test tool. So we can test it out right here. So for our SMTP server, what you want to type in there is smtp.gmail.com. Your port is 465 right there. For security, input SSL. Then just type in your username. Then we will just copy and paste this right here. And for password, we'll input our password. Then test automatically, as you can see. For the test, it's all working, connected to SMTPS right there. And yeah, that's how you do it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.